Hello everyone, my name is Margaret. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button below and tapping on the notification bell so that you'll be aware of new uploads. Today, I was given live cookies by PLM.
1, 2, 3.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you
It's one box, and you can find them in Facebook as well. Life cookies. So they gave me a variant of cookies, and I'll show them to you. These are all the cookies they gave me, guys, and it's really a lot. They did not really tell me what they were sending. They just said that I need to give my review of the cookies. I did not really ask them about the ingredients, so at first glance, I saw that these cookies, these huge cookies that I received, are made of oats. You can still see the grains here. Right? So you can still see the grains. So this is just one variant. I can see a lot of variants in this box, actually. There's one with raisins. Here. Right? And some have sprinkles as well. Let me grab them for you. Okay, here. So I have not tasted them yet, so I'm gonna take a bite on some of the cookies. Of course, I cannot eat everything. I'm gonna be sharing this with my family. Let's go ahead and try the one which is somehow plain. I wonder what this is made of, but I can feel the rough texture of the whole grains, but it's somehow tender as well. And I actually had this in the refrigerator for a few hours because we had to go somewhere else. Let me show you guys. You can taste that there's really butter, and it's somehow chewy as well. As to the flavor, I'm not certain, but it's somehow familiar. I somehow taste like a banana flavor in it, but I'm not really sure as to what the flavor is of this plain one. I hope my taste buds are telling me the right thing. Let's go ahead and try this raisins cookie. So it's somehow the same flavor, it's just that the raisins are added on top of it. And it adds more flavor to the cookie. Let me check for the others. So they also gave me a smaller cookie. It has black dots, some colorful sprinkles, and I think the melted part is marshmallow. I'm not really sure, but I'm gonna taste that now. There's still a crunchy texture. I love this one. So based on the 3 different cookies that I tasted, this one is my favorite. It has colorful sprinkles on top. And I'm not sure what the small black thingies are, but I think it's chocolate bits. I'm not quite sure. Take a look. It is sweet. A few hint of saltiness. It has a chewy, crunchy texture. I love it. Kapit na lang pumahurot, guys. And there's a lot of cookies inside. Thank you so much for giving me another feast. Please do check them out in Facebook. Live Cookies by PLM. So if you want to search in Facebook, search livecookies.plm. Okay, so if you want to order from them, I can also give you the phone number here in the description box, or you can just check out their page because for sure the phone number is also there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick review of the live cookies that I received. Daghan kita grasya karong panahon na, guys, no? And I really love this one compared to the plain whole grains and the one with the raisins. This is my favorite. So it's actually very filling, guys. As in, dako siya na cookie. And one cookie, you are actually full. You will, from one cookie, busog na kayo ka. So, dili gyud ka magmahay if mupulit ka nilang cookies. So, if you want to check out their page and more, and you want to know more about their products, please do visit their page in Facebook. Once again, it's livecookies.plm. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit like. If you have any questions about live cookies or about my vlogs, please do ask them in the comment section below. And if you want to show your support to my channel, please do tap on the subscribe button and also tap on the notification bell so that you'll be aware of new uploads. Thank you so much for sending me these live cookies, and I hope you guys support them by ordering from them. Thank you so much for showing your support by watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next vlog. Bye!